Hey everyone, welcome to Nuer Tube. In this topic, we are going to learn about idiom. Idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of the individual word. Idiom often have cultural or figurative meaning. Gwad ala idiom bukon kloten idiom lo da ala jana shere ka dobrien du no la te ka lot me chalar ka dobrien bo te ka lot dodien. Chimuto kono gwasme de kono shugich ka gwada na cha gore chana je to gwada mene. Okay, menyam give it a shot. Try. Lono one katong nat one give it a shot. Ne me idiom lo de lono try one katong nat give it a shot. Try one. Gwada me speak your mind. Say what you really feel. Larno larmen gwiji lar jigi keja. Speak your mind. Lo larmen na gwiji jan lot kamone. Say what you really feel. Lo larmen na gwiji no de lar dob dana jigi keja. Say what you really feel. Larmen de lar. A piece of cake na mene. A piece of cake. Lo no very easy. La mi tek tek. Piece of cake lo no very easy. Mi tek tek. A piece of cake. Michiran joke it is a piece of cake. Lo no a very easy. Chelo no cake. Cake ngai kono shere ke pat ke dapo ke bread. But na me lo no jen tiaga long a piece of cake. Tiaga long very easy. Jalot kama ke idiom. Slip my mind. Slipped my mind. I forgot. Michu slipped my mind. Me slip it my mind. Lo no chaparwich. I forgot. Chaparwich. Slipped my mind. I forgot. Chaparwich. Cross your fingers. Lord no for good luck. Mijograna workawaniam ke jeleka kot ke jeleka mal ke for good luck. Cross your fingers for good luck. Jelo da magwado ke idiom. Be in hot water. Lord no be in trouble. Alo mitire erika. Be in hot water. Tenre erika jelo kama. Be in hot water. Be in trouble. It cost an arm and leg. It was expensive. Jelo it cost an arm and leg. Alo no jen take a komodit. Ke did cook de. It was expensive. Muldo it is in the bag. Ejare beka. No, it is certainty. Ano. Aluno dong jaten. It is a certainty. Dong der jaten. It is a certainty. Get cold feet. Get cold feet. Lord kane be nervous. Like a wit chunga. Be nervous. A wit chunga. Get cold feet. Be nervous. A riff off. Too expensive. Too expensive. Lono te komudit. Misha a riff off. Te komudit. Too expensive. Ke dit cook de. Ke dit tanan take ja. Get a kick out of. Get a kick out of. Lono enjoy. Aloy du tet. Namen. Aloy du tet. Ke ngar tenre ngar teskaloa. Aloy du tet. Get a kick out of. Enjoy. Lono enjoy. Read between the line. You read between in the line. Read between the line. Luno find the hidden meaning. You gon you gorlode. Gorlod come and chato. Read between the line. Find the hidden meaning. Gorlod man chato. Ajolod mishi nan an idiom cha go read between the line. You gon you know gorlode. Find the hidden meaning. There are right michalat wa guru jeno bilo the gorjen read between the line. Have a mixed feeling. Have mixed feelings. Unsure how you feel. Alam ku do dana jigro do je jigo point je have a mixed feeling. Don't tell me to lo reaction chere gata dan shariya ka je lo ti ke chere ngwani shari. Unsure how you feel. Ku do dana kuro je ka je eventually have mixed feelings. Meridian draw a blank. Draw a blank me. I draw blank. Like you ranto channel longer team. I can't remember. Like chere I forgot. You know. Chere I slipped my mind. Okay, slip it my mind, something like that. I forgot. Chaparwit. Neme draw a blank. Can't remember. Yellow. Channel longer de team. Channel team. Ke channel longer team. Manjok. Have a change of heart. Have a change of heart. Lord no change your mind. Ger charo. Have a change of heart. Lord no ger charo. You know. Ke ti shalga ke idiom. Idiom jana ke dobrini. Do taken ke Lord mudadien. Chimishanen give it a shot. Don't they lono to mini a bear, but I'm lono hone. Gente give it a shot, lono try. Speak your mind. Say what you really feel. Larmandan doba jigi ja abrar todum. Ladum doba jigi ja abrar ka jaki lada ka jandoba mo. A piece of cake. Very easy. Tiagalong. It is a piece of cake. Lord no tiagalong. No lo chebum. Go agenda na go ready. If you are new to my channel, please help me by subscribing. Bye bye.